Every day on the internet, 300 billion emails are sent, 3.5 billion Google searches are made, 4 billion videos are viewed on YouTube, 35 million apps are downloaded. It makes you wonder how it has become possible that all this data travels back and forth within seconds around the world, day after day after day. When internet technology evolved, the network of connected computers expanded rapidly. More and more IP routes, also known as internet routes, were established, creating multiple paths from A to B for your data. The evolution of the internet landscape has led to more and larger data packages traveling to and from your computer via your internet connection. To show how data travels today, let's see what happens when you're watching an online video on your tablet in your Amsterdam home. The video is basically a data package. Let's say it's stored in a data center somewhere in California. Via a transit network, it travels to an internet exchange point in NYC. To cross the ocean, the data package is handled by a submarine transatlantic link. Once on the other end of the Atlantic, it is treated by an internet exchange point in Amsterdam and transported to the network of your internet service provider. This ISP transfers the data package the last mile to your home and to your tablet. And this distance, a journey of 9,000 kilometers, is passed within seconds at the speed of light. The Internet Highway is a complex network of networks. As a content and application provider, you can choose between many different ways and partners to route your traffic to the end destination. As we have seen, the journey of content over the Internet is comparable to travel. When you're traveling long distance, you usually pass various stops where you can change planes, trains, or bus. These stops are currently being reduced by direct connections development. ISPs and content and application providers are investing in direct connections to reduce the number of stops a video needs to pass in order to deliver your video in high quality without delay. So far, so good. But the Internet, being the media platform that it is today, will develop further. Its evolution is not finished, and the Internet needs to adapt to the great opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Firstly, the number of Internet users is rising rapidly. By 2020, we expect that half of the world's population will be online, which could mean a doubling of the current number of Internet users. So obviously, the number of IP routes and the overall capacity of the Internet will have to grow tremendously. Secondly, the nature of Internet traffic is changing. By 2025, the Internet of Things will comprise around 50 billion connected devices. By 2030, machine-to-machine communication will make up 50% of all Internet traffic. For instance, your smartphone will communicate with your smart refrigerator, and your in-car navigation will identify the cheapest petrol station. And lastly, but most crucially, the Internet of the future requires much higher standards in quality, security, and privacy. Think of self-driving cars, remote care and e-health, reliable and affordable human real-time video interactions like 4K video conferencing, and advanced collaboration at work with colleagues from all over the world. For this, we need internet connections that are 100% reliable. The Internet is an evolving structure. From a file transfer platform to the media platform it is today, the Internet may evolve further toward a platform for machine-to-machine applications. So what we need to do is let the Internet evolve to benefit from new technologies and the changing needs of people and economies around the globe. Toward the future, current applications, content and services will continue to make up 50 to 60% of the Internet going forward. More sophisticated applications will contribute trillions in value to the public and private sector. The important foundations for the future Internet are being laid today by investments in the core and the access part of the Internet. It is in the interest of all stakeholders, ranging from content and application providers to interconnection providers to ISPs, to invest in new interconnection models. And we can do this if all parties involved in the Internet work together and invest in the quantity and quality of it together. The quality of our future Internet defines the quality of our lives.